I'm labor law attorney Neil Shouse. I get questions all the time about tip laws and tip pooling here in California. So I'm going to try to explain some of the concepts in this video. First of all, tips are defined as any money that a customer of the business leaves for an employee that is not part of the amount the customer is required to pay for goods, services, food, or drink. The customer is not required to leave the money. That's why we call it a gratuity. Under California law, tips belong to the employee they are left for. A company may not take any part of the tip money. A company may not deduct or offset any amount of the tip money from the employee's wages. And a company cannot count tip money towards meeting its minimum wage obligation. A lot of people ask me, what about credit card transactions? The company has to pay the merchant fees or credit card processing fees. Let's say, for example, a customer leaves you a $100 tip on an American Express card. And let's say the company pays a 3% processing fee on that card. So the company really only collects $97. But the company cannot pay you $97 for the tip. The company has to pay the processing fee and give you the full $100. I also get a lot of questions about tip pooling. This is where the business takes all the tips and divides them evenly among the employees. For example, a restaurant may pool all the tip money and then divide it among the servers, bartenders, bussers, and hosts. This is generally legal in California as long as the service workers share in the tips. Managers who have the authority to hire and fire staff are considered agents of the business and cannot share in the tips. Companies that violate California tip laws face civil and even criminal penalties. That means they can be forced to pay money damages, and the perpetrators can even go to jail. If your company is violating tip laws, you can file a complaint with the labor commissioner. You can also call us here at the Shouse Law Group, and we would be happy to help you enforce your rights.